Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wisdom IQ. In this video, I will discuss about famous temples of India. A very important topic. Many times question is asked from this topic in various competitive government exams. So it is quite important to know about this topic. So let's start. Here are the 12 Jyotirlinga temples of Lord Shiva. They are the most important temples in India. You have to know about all the 12 temples. Somnath Temple, Brahmarama Mallikarjun Temple, Mahakaleshwar Temple, Omkareshwar Temple, Kedarnath Temple, Bhimashankar Temple, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Trimbakeshwara Shiva Temple, Nageshwara Temple, Baidyanath Temple, Ramnath Swami Temple, and Krishneshwar Temple. Remember all 12 of them. And Somnath Temple, it is located in Gir Somnath district of Gujarat. Sri Brahmarama Mallikarjun Temple, it is located in Sri Sailam, Andhra Pradesh, and it is situated on the banks of Rudrasagar Lake. Mahakaleshwar Temple, it is located in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, and Omkareshwar Temple, it is also located in Madhya Pradesh. Kedarnath Temple, it is located on the Garhwal Himalayan range near the Mandakini river in Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand. And Bhimashankar Temple, it is located in Maharashtra near the Bhima river, and Bhima river is one of the largest tributaries of Krishna river. Kashi Vishwanath Temple, it is situated on the banks of the holy river Ganga in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Trimbakeshwar Shiva Temple, it is located on the bank of river Godavari in Nasik, Maharashtra. Nageshwar Temple, it is located in Devbhoomi Dwarka district of Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. And Baidyanath Temple, it is located in Devgarh, Jharkhand. Ramnath Swami Temple, it is located on Rameswaram Island in the state of Tamil Nadu. Krishneshwar Temple, it is located near Aurangabad in Maharashtra, and it is situated near the famous tourist hotspot Ajanta and Ellora caves. So here you can see I have marked all the 12 Jyotirlinga temples of Lord Shiva on this map. So if you revise through this map, the things will get into your subconscious mind and it will help you a lot. Trust me, if you study through this map, it will remain in your memory for a very long time. So in Uttarakhand you have Kedarnath temple, in Uttar Pradesh you have Kashi Vishwanath temple, in Jharkhand you have this Baidyanath temple, in Andhra Pradesh you have Sri Brahmarama Mallikarjun temple, and in Tamil Nadu you have Ramanath Swami temple, and in Maharashtra you have 3 Jyotirlinga temples: Krishneshwar temple, Bhimashankar temple, and Trimbakeshwar temple. And in Gujarat you have Nageshwar and Somnath temple, and in Madhya Pradesh also you have 2 Jyotirlinga temples: Mahakaleshwar temple and Omkareshwar temple. Now the other temples I have covered in form of quiz, in form of multiple choice questions. Where is the Tirupati Balaji temple located? It is located in Andhra Pradesh, and it is also called Venkateshwara temple, and it is a Vaishnavite temple. It is dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, form of Lord Vishnu. Where is Sri Jagannath temple located? It is located in Odisha, and where in Odisha? In Puri, and it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Where is Sri Siddhi Vinayak Ganpati temple located? It is located in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. Where is Brihadeswara temple located? It is located in Tamil Nadu and in Thanjavur city of Tamil Nadu. Where is Konark Sun temple located? It is located in Odisha, and it was built by Narasimha Deva first of Ganga dynasty. He was from Ganga dynasty, and it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. Where is Murdeshwar temple located? It is located in Karnataka, and it is famous for the world's second tallest Shiva statue. Where is Nataraja temple located? It is located in Tamil Nadu. Where is Lingaraj temple located? It is located in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Where is Vadakkunnathan temple located? It is located in Kerala, and where in Kerala? In Thrissur city of Kerala, and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Where is Hoysaleswara temple located? It is located in Karnataka. And where is Badrinath temple located? It is located in Uttarakhand. And remember one more thing, Badrinath temple, it is part of Chota Char Dham. Chota Char Dham consists of Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. And there is a difference between Chota Char Dham and the Char Dham. The Char Dham is also called the Bada Char Dham. So the Char Dham consists of Badrinath, Rameswaram, Puri and Dwarka. So you have to know the difference between Chota Char Dham and the Char Dham. Where is Sri Puram Golden Temple located? It is located in Tamil Nadu. And where in Tamil Nadu? In Vellore city of Tamil Nadu. Vellore city of Tamil Nadu. Where is Dakshineshwar Kali temple located? It is located in West Bengal. And you must have heard about Kali Kalkatte Wali. So it is located in Kolkata. Where is the Golden Temple or Harminder Sahib located? It is located in Punjab, in Amritsar, Punjab. And the construction of the Golden Temple was started by 4th Sikh Guru, Guru Ram Das, and it was later completed by 5th Sikh Guru, Guru Arjan Dev. And the land for the Golden Temple was donated by Mughal Emperor Akbar, and the foundation stone of the Golden Temple was laid down by a Muslim saint, Mian Mir. So a very important temple. Where is Sri Padmanabha Swami temple located? It is located in Kerala. Where is the Meenakshi temple located? It is asked a lot of times in exam, and it is located in Tamil Nadu, in Madurai city of Tamil Nadu. Madurai is also known as the temple city of India, and it is dedicated to, this temple is dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and her husband Sundareswara, who is form of Shiva. Where is the Belur Math temple located? It is located in West Bengal, and there is a temple dedicated to Ram Krishna, who was Guru of Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans. The temple is dedicated to Ramakrishna Paramhans, and Belur Math is the headquarter of Ramakrishna Mission, which was started by Swami Vivekananda. And this temple, Belur Math temple, is located on the west bank of Hooghly River. Where is Gomteshwara temple located? It is located in Karnataka. It is a Jain temple, and it is also known as Shravan Belgola temple or Bahubali temple, and it has a 57 feet monolithic statue of Bahubali or Gomteshwara. Where is Sabrimala temple or Sri Ayyappa temple located? It is located in Kerala. Where is the Vaishno Devi temple located? It is located in Jammu and Kashmir, and it is dedicated to goddess Vaishnavi. Goddess Vaishnavi was formed from the combined energies of goddess Parvati, that is Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. Where is the Khajuraho temple located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. It is a group of Hindu and Jain temples, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Where is Sri Mukambika temple located? It is located in Karnataka, and it is dedicated to Mother Goddess. Where is the Dilwara temple located? A very important temple, and it is located in Rajasthan, and it is located in Mount Abu. And the Dilwara temples are Jain temples, and the Dilwara temples are dedicated to Adinath. Very important. Where is the Mahabalipuram Shore temple located? It is located in Tamil Nadu, and Mahabalipuram was earlier known as Mamallapuram. Where is the Lotus temple located? It is located in Delhi, and it is also known as Swami Ram Narayan or Akshardham temple. Where is the Kamakhya temple located? It is located in Assam. Where is the Shani Singapore temple located? It is located in Maharashtra, and it is dedicated to Lord Shani, the Hindu god associated with the planet Saturn. And where is the largest what is the name of the largest temple in Nepal which is dedicated to Lord Shiva? The answer is Pashupatinath temple. So many times this temple is asked in various competitive government exams, although it belongs to Nepal. So that's all in this video. I hope you got some knowledge from this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please do like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you want PDF of my lectures, you can follow the Wisdom IQ channel on Telegram, and you can also follow Wisdom IQ on Instagram. The link has been provided in the description. Thank you.